How you doing? Bayside, Japan, Ballsy. We are picking our car up today. It is a very special day. This is my first 8 or so hours in Japan, whatever. Dropping my grandma off at church. And then we're going to pick up the new vehicle, which I'm going to be using for the next 3 months. But today, new setup too. Shooting on a DSLR, main camera team. It's a little too much detail. I don't know if I'm fucking with it. But yes, new car, picking up John-T. And then we're gonna go buy every tool, bolts, bullshit that we need. Here come the man himself.
Yeah.
Hello. We is in the whip. There's a lot I'm having to learn, especially fucking holding this silly bigger camera. But shit is quick. We're going to pick up John-T, and then we're gonna go find some tools. And I need to get petrol. That is the motive for right now. And then we're gonna start cranking and working on the car. Fixing it, making it look really good, making it modified, making it lots of strong. In brackets, destroying it. Whoa, this shit need to go. This shit need to go. There he is. John-T Atkinson. Is it a pole? Yes, lad.
Congrats.
We've done it. We have done it. This shit is not wide enough. Ons. Some plans. I can see the plans already. Yeah, look at how far I got older. Is that 18? Oh wait, no. Oh, okay. Jack's down.
Toffee, pressure gauge. Oh. Oh, they got gaskets here too. You're watching on filming.
Yeah, it's hard, right?
Yeah, these are. Oh wait, it's only $99. True. This is gonna be straight trash.
It's hard, right?
Yeah.
It's not easy. I figured that out how quick. Actually, I might run this one, but it only goes to 30.
There's a chance we're being laughed at right now.
Oh, it's just begun. I need to find some like Loctite type shit too.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
You actually did come prepared with the list.
Tape measure could be 8.
Oh yeah, tape measure would actually be good.
Yeah.
Or is it just sockets? Oh okay. Oh, and it's got cutters.
I was more leaning towards getting a tool bag.
Yeah, just for space. What is this?
Like this would be 8, but
What is this device?
purple saver. I think we get a toolbox, and then
This one is low key at best value. Like, everything else, like, even this little socket set is $50. And like I said, you can put it in a tool bag if you want to save some space.
anything else?
So you got jack stand, tools. That is gas.
Oh, this one's 50.
Oh.
Yeah, we're running that.
And if you get the pack with the battery, same brand, it's got to use the same battery.
True.
Battery charger.
This is loaded. Let's do that. Fuck it. I'm ready.
Helping the brands.
17,109円です。
We'll be back. I'm going to drop the camera off so I can help you.
あそこのポイント。
Holy bat! One rack gone. A whole bando. Lost to the game.
Just like that, first band spent. Let's go to Up Garage and get more niche bullshit tools I can find. And then hopefully get cranking.
You're filming the Up Garage too.
Yeah, no, I forgot. Vehicle at the crib. Tools acquired. I still need a key ring. I'm a single key right now. So stop. And the whole back of the car's full too. And then these are all parts that I need to chuck on. As well as these right here. Let's do it. I'm gonna go through the parts real quick actually. I've been knowing what's in here because I bought it actually a week ago. This is going on ASAP to get rid of the pink dildo. HS intake, which you will see us putting on in a sec. Some Model Easter rear straps that I got for like 70 bucks. Ideal. This is actually like so much better than Christmas. $180 350mm rally. Little muffler delete. ZSS arms that I brought with. Shout out Caleb Hazy. Casting module. Spacer conversion. And lock kit. Probably the best thing your eyes can possibly see.
But I did prepare for this moment earlier.
Little banger. $90 this. $90. You fucking serious, man? Got a jack. Got an angle grinder. Bayside Essentials. Some jack stands. What is this? Oh yeah, I bought a rattle gun.
Dude,
Fucking insanely ideal. Man, all the shit back here. First order of business. This shit gotta go. Straight funky ass. Long ass. Shit feel better already. I haven't even threaded it on yet. Literally so much better, it's insane. Damn, that is sucking in birds from the sky. This is so sick. Yeah, real. The fit. Fuck whatever this dude's saying, right? Listen to me. This absolutely.
Well, I got bad news for you.
This sucks. When you're undoing this,
See
see these right here? These pins? Undo the bottom one through the bottom hole first, and then just get in here. Don't use the other holes, these suck. The update is OG steering wheel is back on. Wrong hub type moment. Wow. Yeah, I wasn't sure if
Intake
it said nothing about this, and this is why, but this is like a wrap, but it's black underneath, so we'll probably peel that off. But wheels.
Oh my god, that was so small. Compared to what is about to go on, dude.
Moment of truth.
Dope.
The difference, though.
Difference is wild.
That's gonna be gas.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have to.
to be dropped.
We're gonna have to fix
But I
that,
barely can.
and we're gonna need to space it too.
That needs to be fixed.
Jonty's ends.
Sorry.
It's okay. Manageable.
I didn't explain much today. More will come in the next video. Obviously, I'll probably do a video where I just pull up and explain everything I'm kind of doing in Japan. But today we just did some loose bits, machine check, new vehicle in Japan. Big deal. I just haven't had time to really come to the reality that I have vehicle in Japan now. But very, very sick. Lots more to do. Lots of suspension stuff tomorrow. More to come. We're gonna go get gyoza and then come back to the humble ends. Beautiful.